cleaning off this countertop took me around 8 minutes today. So I'm just going to condense it into 2 minutes. I first start off with cleaning out my suitcase. When I return to the studio on Tuesday, normally I have items in this suitcase. I hadn't really gone through this suitcase in a couple of weeks. So I'm throwing out some things that just really need to go in the trash. And I am just organizing the suitcase. I'm even taking out my flash drive because I need to unload a lot of photos and images that are on my camera onto the flash drive. Putting away some shrink wrap. And again, once I clean out this suitcase, I'm going to zip it up and put it on the floor. And it's going to stay in the studio until I leave on Friday. Typically, I take the book that I'm reading or the books that I'm reading and my iPad and maybe my personal planner. Oh, and my business planner. I take those home for planning. I'm putting away my inventory, and I really need to organize this paperwork that's on the countertop as well as the various papers that are in the back of my planner. So I'm going to go through those. I'm sorting what needs to go in my planner, what needs to be discarded. And I realize here that this folder is not going to last me a whole year. So I'm going to have to get some tape and tape it up so that the contents won't fall out. So I'm taking the contents out, and then I'm going to go get some tape and tape up the size. I'm just using shipping tape, nothing fancy. So I take some of that shipping tape, I tape it up, and then I'm going to put my items back into the folder and continue with cleaning up this countertop. Again, it doesn't take long. You know how every house has a dumping station? Because this is clean most of the time. When I come in, I just dump things here. So that's all I'm doing now. I'm just cleaning up so that when I start having classes, my participants have a nice, clean work surface to just get creative. So now I'm putting up some sugar scrub that I've made.